Did you know that the global trading bot market is projected to grow by over 25% annually and reach billions by 2025? Let me ask you, do you think you can keep up with the speed and precision of AI in such a fast-paced world? If not, don't worry. Today, we're diving into why trading bots are no longer optional. They're becoming essential for anyone looking to succeed in the trading world by 2025. Stay with me until the end, where I'll reveal the best bots that could change your trading game. Don't miss this. Welcome back to TechMoneyAI, your trusted guide to smarter investing through technology. Today's topic is all about trading bots, the AI-powered tools that are revolutionizing the financial world. From automating trades to minimizing human error, these bots are changing the game for traders of all levels. Think about this. With trading bots, you're not just competing against other traders. You're leveraging cutting-edge AI to make smarter, faster decisions. By the end of this video, you'll understand why these bots will be a must-have in 2025. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of smart, tech-savvy investors. Remember, invest better with the power of AI. Let's talk about the challenges traders face today. The market moves faster than ever, and keeping up can be overwhelming. Here are some of the biggest hurdles. Emotional decision-making, panic buying, fear of missing out, or hesitation during market dips can lead to costly mistakes. Time-intensive processes. Analyzing data, monitoring trends, and executing trades manually takes hours, and time is money. Missed opportunities. Markets don't sleep, and key moments can slip by while you're busy or offline. If any of this sounds familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the good news. Trading bots are designed to solve these exact problems. So, how exactly do trading bots work? At their core, trading bots use AI and machine learning algorithms to analyze data, identify patterns, and execute trades based on predefined strategies. Let's break it down. Data analysis. Bots process massive amounts of market data in real time, spotting trends faster than any human could. Strategy execution. Once you set your strategy, like scalping, swing trading, or trend following, the bot acts automatically when conditions match your criteria. Risk management. Bots include features like stop-loss orders and portfolio balancing, protecting you from excessive losses. 24/7 operation. Unlike humans, bots never sleep. They monitor the market round the clock, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Imagine having an assistant that's always on, always analyzing, and always making the best possible moves for you. That's the power of trading bots. Let me share a real-life success story. Meet Alex, a part-time trader who struggled to keep up with the market due to his full-time job. He decided to try a trading bot and focused on swing trading. Using a bot like Trade Ideas, Alex grew his account by 45% in just 6 months. Here's how he did it. He used the bot to scan for high potential stocks based on specific criteria. He set stop losses and profit targets to manage risk. And most importantly, he let the bot do the heavy lifting, freeing him up to focus on his day job. Alex's story shows how anyone can leverage trading bots to achieve consistent results, even with limited time. And here I will give you the 2 best bots for beginners and 2 for advanced traders. If you are a beginner trader, you check Pionex, good for crypto traders seeking an affordable automated solution. TradeSanta, excellent for new traders exploring crypto automation. Pionex and TradeSanta are excellent starting points due to their simplicity and affordability. And for advanced traders, might find 3Commas or CryptoHopper more aligned with their needs. Always start with paper trading or minimal investment to test a bot's effectiveness before committing larger sums. So, why will trading bots be indispensable in 2025? Let's recap. They eliminate emotional decision-making by sticking to data-driven strategies. They save you time by automating trades and market analysis. They operate 24/7, ensuring you never miss a trading opportunity, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader. Trading bots are the future, and the future is now. Now it's your turn. What do you think about trading bots? Have you used one, or are you curious to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos on trading strategies and AI investing tools. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button to join our TechMoneyAI community. Remember, invest better with the power of AI. See you smart traders in the next video.